Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm just going to go over a quick and simple, easy recipe just to make some protein gelatin. So basically, you can buy any kind of sugar-free gelatin that you prefer. The one that I bought was a new flavor that just came out. It's sugar-free cherry Starburst gelatin. For this, one serving is only 5 calories. I used the whole box, which is 8 servings. Came out to 40 calories for this whole box, which makes quite a bit of gelatin. All it has is 1 gram of protein per serving. So you're getting 8 grams of protein for the whole box. So what you're gonna do is just make this just like any normal time you would make it. Just follow the directions. You're going to do the 2 cups of boiling water on the stove. After you have the 2 cups of boiling water, you're going to take your packet. You're going to dump it into the boiling water, mix it together, let it dissolve. After that, you're going to pick your protein of choice, depending on the flavor of gelatin and the flavors that you like to mix together. I just used the vanilla base, and I had one of these sample packets I used. It's just called a dinner vanilla. Any kind of vanilla will work, but any kind of protein powder will work too. It just depends on what kind of flavors that you want to mix together. For this one with the Starburst, the vanilla comes out really well on this. Just sweetens it and enhances the flavor of it. And depending on your protein powder, you're going to have different calories and whatnot, but this one only had 130 calories per packet and 25 grams of protein. So the 25 and the 8 comes out to about 33 grams of protein in this whole dish, which is only like 170 calories. So very, very low in calories, very high in protein, very easy to make. The hardest thing is waiting for the 3 to 4 hours in the refrigerator after you get that. But like I said, boil your 2 cups of water, dump this in. Then you'll take your protein powder. You can either mix this in one of your blender cups with 2 cups of water, or you can mix it in with the gelatin in the boiling water, mix it all together, then add your 2 cups of water, cold water after that, and mix it all together. It's really your preference, whatever. Take a hand mixer, mix it together, take a spoon, a fork, mix it all together. It's just gonna set differently the way that you do it, but it's gonna come out basically the same. So here you go. Like I said, made quite a bit of gelatin. And for a nice little snack, a nice little dessert, whatever you know, anytime that you really want to have this, just to add some extra, you're trying to stay very low in calories, and you're craving something sweet, you're craving something to eat that you want to stay lower, this really helps you accomplish that. Like I said, depending on your protein powder, it could vary. Mine was 130, and then this came out to about 40 calories. So 40 calories, 130 was 170 calories altogether. I only had 2 grams of carbs in this, 3 grams of fat, and 33 grams of protein. So this is, basically just a protein snack here. Tons of protein, very low in calories, under 200 calories. I mean, you can't even eat a protein bar nowadays that's under 200 calories for anything over 20 grams of protein. So definitely a great way to go. So again, thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out. And you guys have a great day.